Okay, so in this video, you'll learn about the bullish engulfing pattern. Okay, so let me share with you, what it looks like. It looks like the one you're seeing over here. So let me, explain to you the concept behind it. So this first candle, you can see that the price has opened over here. Okay, then the sellers came in and took control and pushed price all the way down lower and finally closing near the lows. So this point over here and here are basically the highs and lows of the candle, right? So if this is a daily candle, right, that means that this is the high of the day and this is the low of the day. Then what happened next is that the subsequent candle, it opened near the lows and the buyers stepped in and pushed price all the way back higher and finally closing near the highs. You can see that this is a bullish engulfing candle or pattern because it has engulfed the previous candle. This red orange candle. It has engulfed it, meaning the body of this bullish engulfing pattern has, the size is larger than the previous candle's body. So this is a bullish sign because, the sellers previously were in control and then the buyers came in and pushed price all the way up higher, even higher than the previous day highs, and then closing near the highs. So this is a bullish reversal pattern, right? The bullish engulfing pattern. So with that said, right, it's a bullish reversal pattern, and it means that the buyers are momentarily in control because you've seen that the buyers has pushed the price all the way from the lows to the highs and closing over there. And the thing to note is that the larger the bullish engulfing pattern, the more significant it is. Okay, so right now I'm just going to walk you through and share with you a few live examples. So you can see over here, right, this is a chart of euro dollar, and just want to share with you a few bullish engulfing. So I will consider this a bullish engulfing. Let me get my tool. This one over here, right? Notice this candle open near the lows and then close above the previous candle's open. So to me, my definition of a bullish engulfing is that the candle, the bullish engulfing, has to be larger than the previous candle's body, right? I take note of the body. So this is to me is a bullish engulfing. This is another one, another bullish engulfing. Notice it open near the lows and close above the previous candle's open. Okay, where else? You have another bullish engulfing. This is not because you can see that this candle did not close above this open over here. So this body is actually smaller than this body. So it's not a bullish engulfing. This is a bullish engulfing, right? Notice the candle open where it closed and then closes, much higher than it did the previous day. Another bullish engulfing is this. And this one as well, a bullish engulfing. Notice the size of this candle. Okay, this is another bullish engulfing. So yeah, this is how a bullish engulfing pattern looks like, and I hope you have an idea of how it is. So with that said, here's a quick recap, right? A bullish engulfing pattern is a bullish reversal pattern telling you that the buyers are momentarily in control. The larger it is, the more significant the pattern is. And one thing that I want to point out is that, for whatever candlestick patterns that you will be learning in the later videos, is that don't trade them in isolation, right? This is important, right? Because I'll explain them in the later videos. But for now, never ever trade candlestick patterns in isolation. This means that if you see a bullish engulfing pattern on your chart, don't just blindly go long because it's a bullish engulfing, right? Because this is not enough, right? And it doesn't give you an edge in the markets. So don't trade this in isolation, okay? Just understand, what the candle represents. And for a bullish engulfing, it basically tells you that the buyers are momentarily in control, right? I use the word momentarily just for that moment. And things can just change as quickly. Okay, so with that said, I have come to the end of this video and I'll see you in the next.